The halls we walked, the dreams we shared, laughter echoed in the air. Pages turned and time moved fast, and now we stand here at the last. The chalkboard fades, the lessons stay, memories won't drift away. Faces change, but deep inside we'll carry this with hearts held high. One last bell, one last call, one last time to watch it all. From the friends we love to the place we knew, this goodbye is long overdue. But in every step, in every mile, we'll hold on to these days for a while. Windows framed the morning light, guided us to futures bright. We stumbled roads, we learned to fly. Now it's time to say goodbye. Though the doors will close behind, this chapter lives in heart and mind. Through every tear, through every cheer, a part of us stays right here. One last bell, one last call, one last time to watch it all. But no matter where the journey leads, this school will always be in me. The halls we walked, the dreams we shared, somewhere they're still in